Hey guys, and it's Jack and G with a fire. Well, I need to film it up the right way, yes. And here we have the fire. Over here, it's a fire. And Alex is our friend, is cooking salami, which is now turned into pepperoni.
I'm going to do mine now.
Yep, you do yours and I'll do mine last. Here's mine, not yet cooked. And we'll see you in a bit. Right, I've paused it. Hey guys, welcome back, and now we're cooking my salami.
Do you want a chicken here?
No, I'll have a burger.
Spinning the lens, sorry about that, viewers.
Right,
So that's mine.
Alex wants a burger.
Yeah. If you want it like hardened,
This is mine.
And I'm going to cook mine a little bit more.
Jack, do you want it? Because I'm like putting stuff in the fire.
That's Alex putting stuff in the fire.
You're not going to film me cooking? Okay,
I will. I can't believe you said that. Right, that's the fire down there. Now we'll film Gavin cooking.
Can you not take a joke?
So this is salami we're cooking. How do you like yours? Crispy
I
or?
like mine cooked.
Nice.
Right, okay.
There's no heat coming.
Is there not?
Well, we need to put more wood in the fire.
I just
It's not exactly the Great Fire of London in there.
Jack, you haven't really put any wood in, have you?
Well, I put some paper in.
I put a couple of more bits of wood in. Excuse me, Jack.
Yeah.
You can't dish the fire. You haven't contributed. Any wood.
I did put some sticks in actually.
Technically speaking, paper is wood.
Yeah, I suppose because it comes from trees.
Degraded wood.
That's burning now.
Hello. Hello.
Now I've got that on camera.
That's enough wood, I think. We put them two last.
Right, we'll see you later, guys.
On there.
So here we have the chimney fire, and as you can see, some of the ashes, and it's all gone a bit grey. Now that's in the way of the view, so yeah, I can't really film that now. It's not really.
Does that even like?
It does. Oh my god, the grill's coming off.
No.
Maybe you should, so I can film it. We've got very little flame, but right. Let's have a look at.
There's a lot of flames there.
Whoa. Look at that smoke. Can I get my bit off now?
There's a lot of flames.
Like, can I use the?
There's quite a lot of stuff and a lot of smoke.
Oh, it's burning. I'm just getting some paper.
We've done this video a few times, haven't we? Filming the chimney. Oh, let's see this paper burn. Oh, the paper's burning.
I don't need to zoom in because then you won't capture it.
So much paper in there that hasn't been burnt.
Where?
Everywhere, the grey stuff.
That's burnt.
Is it?
It's grey.
If you blow on it, it will just disintegrate.
Jack, it's grey because it's burnt. Okay. That's still gonna be hot.
Okay, guys, and we're going to say goodbye to the fire, and we're going to have a
How long have you
dinner
been recording?
for 4 minutes and 22 seconds.
Not really long enough, but okay.
Yes, it is. It isn't long now.
You can pause it while we eat dinner.
Yes, and then come back to it later. Right.
Yeah, put a couple of sticks on top so it burns through dinner.
Because no one's gonna watch a 4-minute video.
Right.
Pause it. After that.
Okay.
It's all
off. It takes its time to start up.
You have to like.
No, you don't.
Right, the chimney has gone out, guys, and that's the end of the video.
It's still hot though.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, Jack, it's free.
It gets annoying when Gavin does that.
He said it's hot and then he said,
Well,
is it?
well, that's what everybody does these days. They don't get a sarcastic answer at the end.
Sarcastic.
And goodbye, everyone.